Hello guys, in this video I want to show you the solution for the problem Concurs3. I strongly recommend that you read the Cherinza and understand what it says, because in the Olympiad you will have to read and understand it. That's why get used to it. Once you understand the Cherinza, it's very easy to solve the problem. So I'm diving to the problem. So if it is Cherinza Uno, we have 7 lines, and in each line we read the team number and the score obtained. We read the team number, so it's for team number 2 we have this score, for team number 1 we have this score, and in Cherinza it says that we have exactly 3 teams. And what we have to do is we have to find the sum of digits, but 10 is exception. If we have 10, we add it to the sum. We don't add 1 and 0, we add 10. So finally, if you do this for all of them, you will see that the maximum is 31, and there are 4 lines who has the sum of 31. So now let's come to Cherinza Uno. So this is Cherinza Uno. So first of all, since up here I read Cherinza and the number n, then you create a loop which runs n times, and for each line you have to reset your sum to 0. If you don't reset it, you'll get the wrong result. And every time you read A and B, so A will be the team number and B will be this long number. And then you'll create a while loop while B is bigger than 0. If the last 2 digits are 10, you'll add 10 to the sum and you'll delete the last 2 digits. If no, you'll add the last digit to the sum and delete only the last digit. And after doing this, after going all digits of number B, you will check if the sum is bigger than max. If it is, it means you have a new maximum, so the maximum will be sum and you have only one of it. If the sum is equal to maximum, you just increase the counter because your maximum is repeating. And finally, when you finish the for loop, you print the maximum and how many times it's repeated. Now let's come to Cherinza 2. In Cherinza 2, so this is Cherinza 2, we have 3 lines, and you read the lines and you have to find out which team is the champion, which team has the biggest sum. So let's come to Cherinza 2. Basically in Cherinza 2 you do exactly the same code, but you have slight changes. So you create your for loop, and in the for loop again you reset your sum to 0. You read A and B. A is the number of the team number, and B is the number of the score obtained by the team. And again you examine all digits of B and do exactly the same thing that you did in Cherinza Uno, but this time if A is 1, which means if the score obtained is for team 1, then you add it to sum 1. So I have sum 1, sum 2, sum 3 for each team, and if this sum is bigger than maximum, then maximum will be sum 1, and you do it for all teams. So finally, if maximum is 0, which means it never changed, we don't have a champion. Else, we have to find out if the team's score is equal to the maximum. If sum 1 is equal to max, you print out 1 and put a space. You do it for team 2, you do it for team 3, and then you print maximum. The code looks long, but it's not complicated, it's easy once you understand the Cherinza. If you do it, you get 100 points. Have a nice day, guys.